Her dumbass teammates fucking latch the door. Gotcha. You tried door slamming me, boy? Ain't no way. Nice. Dude, what a good view of the execution. Hey, 10 out of 10 game. There we go. 10 out of 10 game. Wait, these guys don't even have a door open yet? What the fuck? Could actually feed Grandpa and get exterior, but nah, he's barge on me. What a dumbass. How's that poison feel, bro? Yeah, go through the poison again. There you go. Third time's a charm. Third time's a charm, bro. What are we doing here, bro? What are we doing? GG easy. GG easy. GG. Weird. Let's switch to the base sissy skin again. Yeah, bro. There's no fear. Now where did they go? Huh? What? Okay. Go ahead and run. Dude, how does that miss? What the fuck? Yeah, kill fart lady. Watcha! Gotcha! Gonna get you like a pig, boy. Nice. I like how the hitchhiker came down here too. Very interesting strategy. Alright, so we got one more. Who's left? Julie? Julie might have went up. Sus. Little sus, bro. We have exterior alarms, so there's not really a need to stay in the basement. She might still be in the basement, but there's a chance she's not. I have blood to feed too, so yeah, I don't really think we need to. Oh, he got her. The Leatherface get her? Oh yeah, she was going Jen. Okay. Yeah, so I think someone opened the door under the church and then she went up. Like the patrolling and stuff like that's really boring, right? So that doesn't mean like some of those victim players wouldn't necessarily be better players than me, but because they don't play family, it's like, well, you kind of don't really count anymore, you know what I mean? So these guys zooming, bro? Nope. Not that much points. Oh, I just see someone over here? The fuck? Am I tripping? Could've swore I just saw someone's head or something. Haha! Oh, I actually hit her. Damn, I didn't think that was gonna hit. Come here, come here. No, don't run. Ooh, just gotta get my stamina back up a little bit. You know what I'm saying, bro? Ooh, Johnny got a kill, nice. Yeah, I think more of the victims are newer right now, which is kind of weird. What time is it? I guess it's like 4 o'clock on the East Coast, so maybe the chill players are getting on right now from the East Coast. Come on, sunshine. But yeah, it's kind of annoying, like, watching points, though, for, like, 8 hours straight. Like, who wants to sit here and go, did they get out? Did they get out? Did they get out? Wait, is my Leatherface chasing someone? I'm coming to help. This map is so dark. I really need blackout curtains. Is he chasing someone? What? Yeah, checking every bush on the map. Really fun, guys. Very easy and really fun, dude. Very easy and really fun. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh. Someone's getting hit or something. Okay, I think the Johnny's chasing someone in the basement. Oh, these guys have like no points. Okay. Still need... Oh, shoot. What the... Need exterior alarms, bro. I have a fuse open. Where's the Santa at, bro? I'm gonna get one powder. Rip. She's trying to do fuse, right? Like, there's no way she's not. Nice. Wait, my powder went away. The fuck? That shit don't last for shit. The fuck? Oh, I see her. Aha, you're going for fuse, aren't you? You little bastard. She locked in here? No way, right? Oh my god, she's actually locked in here, you dumbass. What are you doing? Yeah, fight me in the poison cloud. There you go. Good job, good job. She literally could have backstabbed me. What a dumbass, bro. What are you doing? Yeah, get him, Leatherface. Wait, this Leatherface got no kills. Nice, dude.